I got the movement apart on this quarter-hour cuckoo clock and cleaning up. You see all that rust?
Sam is a cleaner and a hardworking mother of 2 girls with an addiction to online gambling. Caught in between the worlds of working
My computer, for whatever reason, has got this program on it, like an Alexa, and I don't know how to shut a stupid thing off, but that's what you're hearing, is that app answering my questions, or thinking it's answering my questions. I didn't even ask you the question. Anyway, it's slowly disappearing, and I'm going to let this cleaner soak in a little bit before I put it into my ultrasonic cleaner. And let it finish cleaning it. Can you start to see the difference? I can, and that's because I'm doing the elbow grease. That's a big difference there. But anyway, we'll get back to you after I got this thing out of the ultrasonic cleaner. Here I have the parts out of the cleaner, and you can see it did a really good job cleaning up this old, dirty, rusty movement with applying the furniture mask first, and then putting it in the cleaner and rinsing it off with water twice, and then rinsing it off with alcohol, and then putting it in my ice cream bucket, putting the setting on low and drying the parts. Here I modified this base. I put a screw in it because this bottom section was loose, and I cleaned up the housing with new Life Furniture Masque, and it's looking really good. Not for sure exactly what the kind of clock this is, who made it, but with this wire sticking out of the tail, I don't believe it's German made. It might be Australian made, because here's the Australian quarter-hour cuckoo clock that I showed you all before, where the wire's sticking out of the tail and the left bellow lifts the cuckoo versus the right bellow on a German quarter-hour cuckoo clock. And right here it says made in Australia. So I need to put the movement back together on this clock, and I need to make a housing similar to this housing here, so I can hang it on the wall. And so that's my next step. Again, hope y'all are enjoying this video, please hit the subscribe button. God bless.